as our national heroes and track and field athletes pursue success on the track in London at the 2017 World Championship. We're seeing where another one of our athletes has had success off the track. Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce announces the birth of her baby Zyon. Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce welcomes baby boy. Awesome. Congratulations, mama. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment. Please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Iconic Jamaican sprinter Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce has announced the birth of her son Zyon Pryce. I am not sure if it is Zyon or Zyon or Zyon. I suppose somebody can help me with that. Fraser Pryce, the multiple Olympic and World Championship gold medal winner, made the disclosure on her Facebook page on Tuesday. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are powerful. I know that full well. Welcome, Zyon D. Pryce, August 7th, 2017. To God be the glory for the things he has done. His will, chapter 30, poise and perseverance, priceless journey, the post read. The announcement was accompanied by a photo of the sprinting star and her husband, Jason Pryce. Congrats again. So the Facebook post was greeted with thousands of likes and comments of congratulations by her adoring fans and well-wishers. I mean, it is a case where we are missing her on the track in London, but she is up to greater business at this point in time and she will be back. So congrats, Miss Pryce and Mr. Pryce, on a job well done, on a safe and healthy pregnancy and on a safe delivery. We hope that the baby will grow into a strong young man and you will grow from strength to strength, and we will see you again soon. Hope for some baby picture real quick. You understand? Congratulations again, Shelly and Jason. All the best. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.